Okay, so here's a hack you may not have seen. So say you're going to wear a really, really bright, beautiful lip. Let's say it's a red or a purple or a fuchsia, whatever. The thing with makeup is that there has to be harmony on the skin. So you've got this incredible strong lip, but what color blush do you use? So here's the hack. So in your palm, take the lipstick that you're going to use and do a stripe. Then take a drop of your foundation next to it. Now all you're going to do is mix these together. This will give you the perfect blusher to go with your lip because it's the same color but in a much more muted down way. And then all you do with your fingers or a brush, gently tap it onto the skin and then blend it. And because it's got that foundation mix, it instantly blends into your foundation to look like a flush. Now you can do this with any color lipstick, but not purple, because that may look crazy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.